A person who doesn't have his own TikTok account is getting massive amount of views in TikTok. And in this video, I'm going to show you how Andrew Tate is being famous and why other people are posting videos of him. There are three main reasons due to which Andrew Tate is becoming so much famous. And if you understood all of these three things, then it can be extremely beneficial for you too. So basically, other people are editing his videos and posting by creating accounts and getting lots of followers only by posting his videos. Okay, and there are few things due to which these things are happening, and I am going to exactly explain that in this video. So without doing any delay, let's get started on why Andrew Tate is so much famous. And here comes the reason number one: being totally different, or you can call it unique. Andrew Tate understands marketing extremely well. So now what he have done to become totally unique is he have identified his audience in a very well manner, okay? And those audience are sharply targeted by Andrew Tate with his statement. For example, lots of people who Andrew Tate thinks his audience is, they have some feelings inside them, but they cannot express it out clearly, okay? And what Andrew Tate does is he totally understands those things, okay? And whatever the thing is right, okay, he speaks out loud and clear. He doesn't care about anything other, like what other people may think, okay? What his audiences thinks, okay, and what is good, what is right, he speaks out it bold and clearly, due to which what is happening is he have created a special fan base and some people who are totally against him. So in an overall way, by being unique and totally different, what he is doing is he is simply targeting his audience. He's making his audience know, like, and trust him, okay, with his bold statements, and he's propelling back other people who are not likely to be his audience. See, in marketing world, if you are a marketing student, then you can understand there is a saying like, if you have 1,000 true fans, then you can earn good amount of money, okay, from those 1,000 true fans. And what he did is he have made those kind of tens of thousands and millions of true fans, because even if some people doesn't like Andrew Tate, they cannot deny whatever some statement that he gives are absolutely truth, right? So he's being totally bold, different, and totally unique, and that is the number one thing why he is so famous. Now it's time for us to go to number two, and that is this platform that is called TikTok. So if you create an account on TikTok today and post a video, I think TikTok will easily give you 100 to 100 views, okay? That doesn't happen on any other platform, either it is YouTube, Facebook, or whatever it is. Only on TikTok, if you just dance, okay, in a music and post it in TikTok, then you are going to get good amount of view from day one. That means Andrew Tate videos are obviously going to get lots of traction because his statements are so bold. Even if someone is angry with him, they are also going to watch that video for 2 times, okay, by being angry, and due to which his watch time on these short videos increases, and TikTok algorithm will be forced to show it to more other people. Now Andrew Tate doesn't have his own TikTok account, due to which other people are creating some account and posting videos related to Andrew Tate only, okay, and they are doing it for small region, okay, that you need to understand, and it can be also beneficial for you. Not small, I mean sweet region. So don't just skip this video and don't watch third thing before watching this thing, okay? So lots of people are posting his videos in various TikTok account by creating various TikTok account, and they are getting like massive amounts of views in their TikTok videos, like 1.8 million views, 2.5 million views, 1.5 million views. So one of the second reason is because of the TikTok, okay? It is the TikTok platform that have allowed Andrew Tate's video to reach to people all over the world. I don't think there is some person in some country in the world where Andrew Tate is not known in today's date. So now everyone is creating account for Andrew, creating account and posting Andrew Tate videos. And what is the reason? Now that reason I am going to explain you. Okay, so if you see in any of this video, if you open their TikTok account, there you will see this kind of link in all of these accounts. And if I click on these videos, let's open it. Okay, let me open this one also. So all of these are 3 different TikTok accounts. Okay, and 3 different person have created this account. And see all of this TikTok account, if you click, then you will open the same website that is called the real world for now. Okay, before this, if you clicked on these links, then it would open a site that was of Hustler University, which is owned by Andrew Tate, and people were promoting that Hustler University in each of these TikTok account and all of the TikTok account that is available inside TikTok. Now what people did was, firstly they joined the Hustler University, they took the course. Okay, Hustler University 2.0. Now I think it is Hustler University 3.0, that is called the realworld.ai. Okay, and in that course Andrew Tate, maybe Andrew Tate have taught lots of other things, included affiliate marketing. If you see on my this search bar, you can see affiliate. Okay, affiliate. So I'm myself an affiliate marketer. So what I do is I promote various product and services to the people who need it. Okay, and in return, if they click on that link and purchase that product or services with that link which I'm promoting, okay, and I'll get a pre-decided commission. So as I remember previously in Andrew Tate's Hustler University, there was like a commission of 10% or 20%, I don't remember. Okay, so he used to promote his Hustler University, which was a course. Okay, and people used to buy it and take the course that is related to affiliate marketing. And in affiliate marketing, maybe he was teaching people on how they can promote Hustler University as an affiliate by using this kind of video. Okay, due to which people were creating this kind of account and getting like 61,000 followers, 2.3 million views. Okay, this kind of views they were getting, and they all were promoting the Hustler University. But at this time, at the time of making this video, there is like this the real world something. I think Andrew Tate have created this new thing, and it only costs $19. Now I'm not promoting it right now at here. Okay, but if you want to join. Now my verdict on how he got famous is like, this is not a bad thing. Okay, whatever he is doing is not totally scam in my view. Okay, in your view it can be other thing, but I'm an affiliate by myself. Okay, so while doing affiliate marketing, there are lots of people who have problems. Okay, and they don't know the solution exists. And what I do is I promote those kind of product and services to those people who don't know the solution to their problem exists. Okay, similar way, lots of people want to make money and they may don't know this Andrew Tate is teaching some making money online stuff, as he is a millionaire himself also. And his courses, even if if he is hiring other experts on the field to teach you, then also he have handpicked those professor or tutor so that you can get benefited. Okay, so that's why I don't think his courses are also scam. It's my point of view, your point of view can be different. And the thing that he's telling other people to promote is Hustler University, lots of other programs do that. Okay, and there is no any fault. Like if you ask me, well, the affiliate also teaches that in affiliate bootcamp. Even ClickFunnels Russell Brunson also teaches that in his affiliate bootcamp. So if a person hates Andrew Tate, then he may say everything is wrong. Okay, but that is not wrong. The person always has a choice either to promote his program or not, even after taking this affiliate course. However, if someone decides to promote his course, then they can use these videos in a simple way. Okay, by editing those videos And when someone watch these TikTok videos of this famous Andrew Tate, and they click on it and they see Andrew Tate at here speaking at here, then they are more likely to purchase that course, and the one who is promoting it as an affiliate can make good amount of money. So guys, to sum up, there are altogether 3 things due to which Andrew Tate got famous. One, he was totally different and unique. Another is because of this platform that is called TikTok, and he doesn't have his own TikTok account, so other people are making TikTok account for him and posting those videos for him because they would get paid from his affiliate program. So that's it, guys. These 3 things, in the combination of these 3 things, Andrew Tate become so much famous on TikTok, and same thing is happening on Instagram and any other platform that you can know. If you don't believe me, you can check out his videos, go to their TikTok account, Instagram account, and see if they are promoting this kind of links or not, and you'll understand. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was informative for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.